Hi there, welcome to the new lecture. In this video, I will be explaining how to display featured application in Microsoft Intune Company Portal application. This way, you're going to highlight it or you're going to promote a certain applications in Company Portal so that Intune end users can download or can be installed. This will help the end user to quickly access them or quickly notice the application within the company portal instead of they go and search for the applications and quickly they can install it. So it's gonna reduce a lot of time in terms of the delay for the end user, so the end user have a great experience altogether. So let's have a look on it. What are exactly featured application? Let's say you might be having more than maybe a 10-15 application and you want to publish them, all of them. Let's say if I have here an application called maybe a VLC, if I just pick it up VLC, an application, and this application I want to publish as the available mode so that my end user like VLC, WinZip and multiple applications have put it for end user. So end user no need to search for VLC in their company portal application. Instead of that, they should be able to quickly find out since this application will be available for them as a featured application. So to make this application as a featured application, in the configuration of this Win32 application model, you need to make this specific change within the app information section. If you see here, show this is as a featured app in the company portal. All you have to do is from no to yes. By default, it will select as a no. You simply have to click on yes, so that this is going to be a very frequently used application, and it might need to be users needs to install on their own. So simply click on yes, so that it would review all these changes, and then when you go back to your end user's computer, let's say I have a end user computer. Let me bring my end user computer, one of a machine. So this is my end user computer, and called Chris is already logged in here, and I wanted to log in as an end user. And if I just open up my company portal application here, in this case this is application, let me reopen this application quickly. In fact, I pulled the policy already in the backend, so let's see if this policy is gonna show the application into featured application. So if you see here under feature update, featured applications, you have listed here one application. This is called VLC player. So instead of user go here under apps or search for an application, maybe for example WinZip, if it is available, instead of that, they can quickly come back to the home page and if in the dashboard itself it will be showing as a featured application. This way user can quickly click on that application as a quickly they noticed, and they could go for the installation. So this is the same case for Android or iOS or Windows devices. Because we are working with the company portal application, the experience that you have with the company portal application is unique, whatever the device it is, right? So this is going to work on these things. If you see here, it just got downloaded. Now it's trying to install. I hope you got it, what exactly feature application. If you really like it, give it thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to get more videos from my channel. Thank you.